Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Fiverr affiliate program for freelance gigs, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate the Fiverr affiliate program, start by visiting the Fiverr website. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and locate the affiliates link. Click on the affiliates link to navigate to the Fiverr affiliate program page. Once there, you will see an option to join now or sign up. Click on the Join Now button to begin the registration process. You will need to create an account if you don't have one already. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password. After completing the form, click on the Sign Up button. You will receive a confirmation email to verify your account. Open the email and click on the verification link provided. Once your email is verified, log in to your Fiverr account. In the affiliate dashboard, you will find various options for customization. Choose the type of affiliate promotions you want to pursue. You can select from different tools such as banners and links. Fiverr also provides ready-made promotional content to help you get started. Copy the affiliate links provided for the freelance gigs you want to promote. Share these links on your blog, website, or social media platforms. Ensure you track your performance within the affiliate dashboard. Fiverr offers real-time stats to monitor your clicks and earnings. Familiarize yourself with Fiverr's policies to ensure compliance. Regularly promote the gigs you selected to increase your chances of earning. Engage with your audience to build trust and encourage referrals. Keep an eye on the latest Fiverr offerings to stay updated and relevant. In conclusion, activating the Fiverr affiliate program is a straightforward process that can lead to earning potential. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.